What is this? A f***ing 20 volts of wireless charging? Are you someone who buys tech a lot? Or are you a tech enthusiast? Then you don't want to miss out on these videos. Hi, my name is Shivam and here on The Inventor we make videos about tech. Simple as that. From headphones, speakers, phones, news and what's happening in the tech industry, we have it all. With this continuously growing community of tech enthusiasts, this channel is helping thousands of people in their buying decision. You can join this community in few taps. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And congratulations, you are part of the squad. Welcome to the family. Now you will get new videos every week about latest and the greatest tech straight into your subscription boxes. And the best part is giveaways. Who doesn't like free stuff? So if you don't want to miss, make sure you are subscribed and the notifications are on. And yeah, I'll see you there in the next video. This is the best.